Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be talking about client retention. Yes, welcome. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. So we are going to be talking about client retention rates. It's really hard to keep your clients happy. Yes, we all know it is a thing. They are most of the time a little bit harder than we want them to be when it is a simple process that we do. So keeping our clients active and interested in being our client is all about how we make them feel. So it is all about feeling. We as stylists touch our clients' heads. We actually, if you do get a little philosophical right now with me, it is like the top chakra. We are touching their heads and we are literally creating a break in the pattern from their higher power. So our, very worked out hands go in their zone and we actually touch them. I touch clients' heads. So I feel as a stylist that I need to have the most clear and precise tone and when I'm touching someone. So I can't take any of my back history, my back drama, because we all have gone through our own stories and that's how we got to where we are today, but we cannot take that and have it manifesting in ourselves when we touch someone else to transfer it onto them. So we have to have a clear conscience as we go into each of our clients. If it's taking a minute to just do a little shakeout and get ready, because don't forget, we don't want them to feel anything from us. We don't want them taking away our negative Nancy attitudes, which, hairstylists, we're on our feet all day. We're trying to be happy. We're trying to keep everyone happy. And sometimes, we get a little nasty. I'm not gonna lie. We're just, sometimes we get a little too nasty, and that will create a client that will not want to come back, first and foremost. So if we take our skills as a stylist and turn it inward first, right? So we can give what they need. We have to be in a spot of love and care so that we can give it to them. That is the foundation of everything that we do. We should be doing everything because we want to help, we want to enhance, we want to bring out the best in them. That's what we're in. We're in the beauty industry. So no matter what it is, if it's the wig that we're putting on, if it is the hair color we're doing, the cut that we're doing, the blowout, the makeup, we have to come from a place of love and genuine wanting to help. When you do that, it really cuts down on a lot, and your clients will want to keep coming back to you because you make them feel safe. It is a safe zone. Your chair, your hands, it's a safe zone for them. This is where they come, when they had a breakup. They come right here to us and they expect us to make them feel better because they feel inside, they feel like poop. So on the outside, they can look like $1,000,000. So this is the #1 way to make your clients keep coming back to you, by always being that warm hug that they always get. Even though we can't hug right now in the pandemic, but we are still touching our clients. We are still one of the only professions that have to be licensed to touch a client besides a doctor. We have so much responsibility, from infectious diseases to cleaning to sterilizing, so that alone can cause us stress. But with us now, with our clients, can be showing them more love, more empathy, just give them whatever they need. Be that white canvas so that they can unload on you, which is a big thing first off. So learn how to take on their drama and don't manifest it onto you. Use it to help them. So you can be that sounding board. We are therapists. I know we should be getting charged. We should charge for the hour. I know some stylists do. I feel like we should, but who knows? Depends on the salon you're in. But really, that relationship that you make with your clients is literally going to be keeping them coming back again and again. It is like the sanctity of marriage. You and your hairstylist. They will just come, and literally, most of my clients, I know more about them than their spouses. Probably you do too. So it is even more imperative that you respect those boundaries and you help them become better human beings. Don't forget, any type of doctor thing, we need to refer them to a doctor. We shouldn't really be giving any advice. We are there to help boost them up and make them feel the best they can in that mirror. So when they feel the best they can in that mirror, then they can tackle on the world. If your hair looks good, literally you can do anything. Anything, anything, anything. You will have heads turning, so then you're getting other people's positive energy coming towards you because you're flicking your hair. It just got done. Everyone's hair looks amazing as soon as it gets done, unless you screw it up, which we'll talk about that in another episode. Keeping your clients coming back to you is just making them feel the best they can every time they sit in your chair. That experience, that hominess that they get sitting in that chair now with their mask on and their cape on, but we're making them feel at home, right? All they've wanted to do while in quarantine is get their hair done. I know, who knows when this is still, if you're still listening to it like years from now or back, but this is a time where we literally need to have more interaction with people and doing it the right way. Keep your clients coming back to you because you are the joy that they have. You're the joy. You bring joy to them. You make them feel amazing on the outside. And for me, I hope because I make them look so good, that inside starts to look even better because I know all of my clients. I get to know them. It is in there somewhere. Some are a little, I got some tricky ones, not gonna lie. And that's why they hire me, because I will be able to help them be the best that they can be. On television or on Broadway, I always get called to deal with some difficult people so that I can literally get them to do their job. So if their hair is looking good, they look in the mirror and there are no issues, then they can focus on what they need to focus on. If you look at it that way, it will help that client retention. You'll start getting known for how you treat your clients, and you can then also know where they're coming from to help them even more. We are in the beauty industry to help uplift people and make them feel the best that they can. So make sure you click the button below to subscribe and then hit the bell so you get notifications, because I always have some little tricks of wisdom in my brain that I'm going to be sharing with you. Let's go along the journey together. In the comments below, write down, tell me something that you do that you've never seen anyone else do. I want to hear it. And let me know if you liked anything in this video, because I'm going to be making some more. Till next time.